As for item C and problem number 1, we are looking for the height of the building, which is H2. Now, I would like to consider points 3 to 4, which means that we have here point 3 going to point 4. There is a thing that you should remember here. At the same level, take note that at point 3 there's a velocity here in going down. That velocity is actually equal to the velocity when it's going up at U1, point 1. That initial velocity when it was when the rock was shot up, and as it goes down, that velocity 3 is actually equal to the velocity U1, only different in opposite in position. So the V3 here in point 3 is actually the same as U1, which is 19.6 meters per second. The other thing that I would like to emphasize here is the time that it takes from 1 to 2 is the same time that it goes from 2 to 3. So if we have time 1 to 2 equal to time 2 to 3, which is the same as 2 seconds, it means that the time from 1 to 2 to 3 is actually 2 plus 2, it's actually 4 seconds. The time 3 to 4, which we are very much interested at, is equal to the time of the flight from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus the time 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the whole time minus the time from 1 to 2 to 3 is the time for 3 to 4, which is, if you're going to compute that, it will be 8 minus 4, which is 4 seconds. In this case, we have acceleration due to gravity positive because it is indeed accelerating. And if we're going to make use of the the third equation, S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at squared. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at squared. The displacement S here would be actually from points 3 to 4, it's actually H2. It is equal to, the initial velocity here is V3. The time is time 3 to 4 plus 1/2. The acceleration here is acceleration due to gravity, which is positive, and the time here is the same as time 3 to 4 squared. So if we're going to quantify this, this is 19.6 meters per second, the same as U1, times 4 plus 1/2, 9.81, which is acceleration due to gravity, times 4 squared, and therefore you'll be able to get 157 meters, which is the answer to the question in item 1C.